Hi y'all, good morning. I hope you guys liked that cult meeting yesterday. I think that was a good lesson. I think I got a good feedback from you guys, so I'm proud of you guys. Hopefully that changed some stuff. Hopefully you'll be proud of me right now. I'm down $2,600. That was fun. So, market's interesting. We'll see how this plays out. I'm not too worried, but in the spirit of that last video, I was going through my losses right now and I'm seeing I did some stupid shit on this other account too, man. I don't even want to show you guys. I'm down 1,200 on this one, but this one, just holding the puts, but mainly that one, I don't know if you see it, it's not loading, but that's a $300 loss because I got exercised and I didn't, what's it called? I was in the money on Friday and I didn't sell it. And now I got exercised on a put on the SPY. So I think I'm gonna make a video on that. So you guys gotta be careful about exercising, but, all right, shut up, Trippy Red. I don't like Trippy Red. But let's talk about kind of what we got for this week moving forward. I wanna make this a quick video for you guys. A lot of stuff. The SPY, honestly, very, very interesting for it to be, you know, we had a nice little gap up, so you guys saw what we were looking for. Brexit went through. I need to make my update video on that for you guys, but pretty much the vote, I think they agreed December 10th. But now this week we have a lot of different stuff. Even tonight we're gonna have Japan data, and someone brought that up on the comments. That's gonna be pretty important. I think Japan's doing good. If I was gonna start looking towards bounce, I would look towards them and seeing kind of how they're doing. But we get some European data, stuff like that, and then and then some like Fed manufacturing data. But then pretty much come Tuesday and Wednesday, we have the Fed minutes. Federal Reserve Chair is going to be talking, Jay Powell, as well as that Clarita person from last time who was very, very dovish. So that has the interesting possibility to see how that's going to play out, and we're going to get more updates with that. And then you got like real estate data, new home sales, pending sales for October, a couple stuff in Europe, and then Friday we got the G20 with China and Trump, and that is probably going to be the most important thing. So now what I'm looking for moving here is kind of the pieces of information. It seems like the market could take it bullishly. I'm keeping my eyes out if anything changes, you know. I'm looking at the option prices. Some are cheap, some are still expensive. You know, you're still getting some volatility. The VIX is at 19 still, so puts are still going to be somewhat expensive. You guys could even see with the last video, compare even the price of those puts on Friday and the week of, and see kind of where things are going. So finding the right play is going to be very, very interesting for this, but we need, you know, the best play is going to come from finding a clear-cut direction. So I want to see how all this stuff is going to play out. I think it's either we're going to get movements coming into this week with, you know, there's a lot of news that could move it. I guess my potential fear is that there's going to be stuff that's going to move the market, or can move the market, like all the data coming out this week. However, with G20 and the stuff next week taking precedent or more weight, I feel like it's just going to hang out there until we kind of see more of those developments. But the market has been very, very interesting, very sporadic for us to be able to say, you know, it's been jumping all over the place. So now it's just a matter of staying up to date with the news and getting an idea. You guys saw last time too, you know, the last couple months, last few weeks, we have an idea. It's about finding it. You know, we're gonna be more concrete once we could find, okay, this is happening with oil, this is with China. And once we are able to find something we could cling to, then we could start going in there. But now I'm still feeling the downside is still apparent. However, I would love to see a bounce, and I would love to see what happens here. But now I'm trying to, you know, I'm seeing stuff set up for a bounce. However, it's not as strong, and you guys see the data we have coming this week is going to be a driver of the market until something else comes out. I like something like OPEC. There was even, I might make another video, it's not really good, and again, this is where I could get negative, that shit with Russia and Ukraine. So we're gonna see. There's many aspects of it, but that's just a quick for you guys in the morning. Get an update, nothing too, I don't think any too crazy, you know, and this would be a chance you guys could post news in the comments. Let me know what else stuff you guys saw this morning, what effects you saw, or any questions you have questions you may have towards it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I love you guys. subscribe, stay in school. Let me know if you have questions. We'll see how many videos we get out today. I think I'll get one more, but this might, this one and one more. So we'll see. We'll see what happens with the market though. Got a lot of phone calls for the pledge class. I got some other work too, wrapping up the end of the year, so I'm excited. You guys have been great. I hope your end of the year has been going good. Let's go. One more holiday left. Crush through there, get through the holiday, and then boom, baby, 2019. So I love you guys. I hope you guys are paper trading, getting ready to, just trading wise. The markets are going to be fun. I want to make sure you guys are prepared. Again, great comments on my last video. Super fucking excited to hear you guys doing good off of it and liking stuff like that. So I want to make sure you guys are prepared for 2019 and in that type of focus where it's game time. That is what I'm saying for the people in the pledge class. I don't want people who aren't serious, and even if you guys watching the video, just take them seriously. You guys see, that's what I do in 30 minutes just to review my trade. So I expect a lot out of you guys. How good do you want to get? How bad do you want this shit? So I'll leave it there. Love y'all. Peace out. Give me some love.